I turned my latest footage into high quality 4K footage using this incredible AI tool, before, after. So here we are on the TensorPix website, which has a host of tools to help you enhance your video footage. It's trusted by over 1.5 million users and by industry icons such as BBC, Adobe and Cambridge University. This is what got me interested in it in the first place. I thought if these big industry users are using it and so many people are using it, it must be good. So they offer a host of tools on this platform. So first of all, you would log in and then you click on enhance. And these are the kind of tools that they offer on here. You've got video enhance. They even have AI image generator, video compressor. We're just going to be looking at the video enhancer tools today. The first thing you want to do once you've logged into the website and you've got access is you're going to want to add a video by dragging and dropping a video in here or selecting a video. So I have a piece of footage here of me flying a flight simulator at British Airways, and I'm going to click to load that in there. I want to upgrade that. It was filmed on an old iPhone quite a few years ago. You can see as it uploads here, it's a .mov file. It's only 80 megabytes. And once it's uploaded, you have a choice of the kind of tools that you want to use. You can click auto select and it will automatically select the suggested tools that they suggest for you to upgrade the quality of this video, or you can choose your own options here. So the first one we've got here is the AI upscaler. So increasing the video resolution and creating previously unseen details, convert low resolution videos to HD or even 4K. And then the next one down, you've got deep clean, and deep clean is to clean noise, compression, artifacts. So this is when you compress your video into more smaller types of file formats. Sometimes you can get these artifacts in your video and this helps to get rid of those. Next one down, we've got AI smooth motion. And this is, say, if you don't have a high enough frame rate in your video, this can help you to up the frame rate, as you can see from the left onto the right, to give you a higher frame rate in your video. And the next one down here, we've got AI slow motion to be able to show the same footage that you already have, but in a slower way. So it's going to interpolate the current frames that it has right now. So say you have 30 frames, it's going to be able to upscale it to say 60 frames or 120 frames. And next down, you've got AI dust buster, which helps to get rid of those scratches and dirt and dust in the old 35mm and 16mm films. AI denoise, perfect for like night shots here. You can see this showing on a night shot here, how it's able to take the noise out of that night shot. On a lot of phones, when it's dark at night, they'll increase the gain and you get noise in the picture. And so that's what this helps to get rid of the noise in the picture created from the gain. And AI deinterlace, this is for the old TV kind of footage or video you've got from a VHS, where you can get rid of that interlacing. And they've got one here specifically aimed at AI web enhancer, and I'll be doing one of those coming up as well because I've got a lot of AI web camera footage as well. So for this one, we're just going to go for the upscaler and the deep clean as well. And I will also try and denoise it because it is in a dark environment, and we'll click on that right now. We'll also just choose, you can choose a specific segment. So I'm just going to choose a small segment of the video to make it quick for this video demonstration. So then it goes into the queue here, and it's usually very quickly that it will start to work on this. It usually takes 1 to 20 minutes to find a free processing server, and most of the time I found for me that it will get into this very quickly right now. So I'm going to show you some of the examples that I've done already using this tool. And this is the video that I showed in the thumbnail here. So one of the things you're going to see, I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see this close up. When I click, this is the before, and when I click, this is the after. And if you look at the hairs on the nose here, you'll see the fine details coming through in the hairs on the nose here, where it's increased the resolution from the original 1080 here up to 4K footage, and you can see the details appearing in the fine hairs on the nose of the lion here. Incredible. So the price plans they offer, they start from free, where you can start using this tool for free. It won't cost you anything to start having a go with this tool, but they also have some monthly plans at different prices as well. And that's the pay yearly prices, but if you click on the pay monthly prices, you can see these are the pay monthly prices. So this is a video that I did, which is VHS. And in this one, I deinterlaced the video and I cleaned up the audio and I 4K upscaled the video and deep cleaned the video. And you can see the difference here, especially like if you look at the edges of my shirt, how sharp the edges are when you go to the after on the right hand side here. And then if you also look at the projector here, look at this old projector here, you can see how the definition, the sharpness of the lines on that projector, but you can see the clarity difference between before and after. And this is footage of me when I was about to be baptized from 20 years ago. So this is me 20 years ago when I'm about 22 years old. I'm 44 right now. So interesting to see that as well. Zoomed up. Very cool to be able to take this kind of footage and give it new life. At this point in the video, I'd just like to ask you, what would you like to upscale? What old footage would you like to bring back to life using a tool like this? Let me know in the comments below. So this is the web camera. So if you look here, before, on the left-hand side, we've got the before, and on the right-hand side, we've got the after. And you can see the blurriness on the left there of this web camera footage. This was just in 720 to begin with, and it's upgraded it to 1080. And then you can see the definition in the hair, in the eyebrows, in the eyes, in fact, in everything. The difference here is absolutely incredible. The sharpness in the shirt, in the teeth, in the hair, in lines, the difference is incredible. Let's go to some of the other footages here. So we've upscaled this footage, filmed on an old iPhone from about 10 plus years ago inside of an air simulator, denoised it, we've upscaled it ×2, and we've deep cleaned it as well. And you can see the difference here in terms of, like, obviously you can see the scale difference there when I'm going across. The scale is changing and increasing. But you can see the definition in the instrument being red there. And then let me try and pause it. There we are. If you look on the left here, you can see it's quite noisy around the blue jumper of my left shoulder. When you come across, we're losing that noise. You can see all of the kind of like grainy detail there, and as you come across, that noise just disappears completely. So it's an incredible job on denoising this image. Look at the writing on the yoke of the aircraft between my hands. Just now you can see it's quite blurry, but when you go across it, it has a lot more definition. Still not readable, but the definition is much higher quality. And look at the difference before in the artificial horizon here in front of the yoke and after. The clarity is significantly better after using this tool than it was before. So it's incredible to be able to bring to life this old footage. So that's a brief look around the TensorPix platform and some of the video enhancing tools they have, which are really impressive in terms of bringing up the quality of your old videos and even your AI videos to make them into 4K. If you'd like to try out this AI tool for yourself, make sure to check out the pinned comment below this video. And I look forward to seeing what you manage to enhance or create. And I'll see you in one of these next videos coming up here or here. Thanks for watching.